my name is Kim, and today on this YouTube channel we are going to be making a volcano. So making a volcano is actually pretty easy, and I just learned this on like a science TV show. So I'm going to be joined by my trusty person and my trusty thing, Griffin. Griffin is my pet dog, and yeah, it's a boy, and I know that he's wearing pink, but I just decided to, put him in this shirt because it's pretty. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so we're going to be making a volcano, and it's very easy. All you need are these ingredients. You need just like a regular container like this that's pretty tall. You need vinegar. I have white vinegar. And then you need baking soda. And you can have some color. You can have some, you can use sprinkles, as someone on Cooley's Corner did. Or you can do, like, food coloring. Or you can do this, a popsicle. So yeah, so now I'm going to be doing it. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to move my camera down a little bit closer, down here. Yeah, apple juice. Tasty. Okay. First you're going to add your vinegar to your thing. Then take a cup or whatever. Or a bowl. A bowl is good, and you're just going to get your popsicle. And I have a knife. So I'm going to put this in the microwave. I'll be right back. So let's just wait. Hello, I'm back with Griffin, and the juice is almost done, and it's about 4 seconds. So I have this. Just gonna pour it in with the vinegar. So it should be like vinegar in color too. Then you're gonna move everything out of the way because stuff's about to go on right now. Then take this and pour it in. Woohoo! Volcano! Let's see if my dog likes it. Come here. Come here, Cookie. Look at this. Look at this, Cookie. Okay, nothing's working. Let's use this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry that the quality was actually pretty wrong because I'm filming it on my tablet. But yeah, it turned out pretty good, and I'm glad. And I've never built a volcano before, and I've had a great reaction, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye. Have a nice day. Keep it cool, keep it classy, and I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and leave a like. Bye.